Guys, I'm here. As you can see, my body is. I don't have what what what. Never mind. Just said that there. So let's just gonna add some clothes because I'm kinda afraid. I, let's get some cute. Oh, mom. Oh no, I have to take my pants off. I'm just gonna wear this whatever. I'm just gonna get there. Okay, guys. So you can see that I'm actually let's choose of course I'm gonna go to the pink. So guys, I'm just wanna tell that I'm bad at I'm actually bad at parkour. So don't my look at that. You can see that. I can prove what I mean. I don't know why did I play this, but let's just prove it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Let's try to not. Oh no 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 no. I didn't die. I didn't. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. I told you. I'm bad at this. So don't mind. I know already. Oh no. Oh. So guys, you can see. You can see. I'm really bad at this. Wait, I can see this. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, let's accept this girl. Oh, I don't know how. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave this game. I don't want this because I keep falling. So I'm gonna go change a game. Sorry, bye. Just gonna come back. I told you I don't know. So let's join another game. If I'm not good at that. When I'm not good at that game, so we're gonna change again. So let's go. Guys, here we go. Here's my, this is a lobby too, but it's a little hard, so don't worry about me. He destroyed my house. Bacons are good, but some bacons are so mean. They will destroy your house and let you die. That's how mean they are. Okay, guys, here we go. This is my first time. This is not my first time playing this. In my other account, I play this, but I'm good at this. Sometimes I win, sometimes I fail. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, guys. Oh, this is just easy. A softie. Okay, let's go. And guys, I'm gonna choose a random people to add friend in my Roblox account. Just tell your Roblox account name. Just tell your Roblox account name, okay? I'm gonna choose two, not only one, because guys, I want that. So what's your password? Okay, let's go. I'm not telling you. What is gonna put in the comments? Is your Oh, Kayomi's there. Kayomi's there. Oh no, Kayomi is running towards me. Let's open that. Hi, Kayomi. You're my fan, Kayomi. Not that one. Hi, Melody. My Melody. Oh my gosh. You will be my gosh, I'm lagging. My biggest fan in the world. Like, you're my biggest fan and you're my fan. You know what?
You're gonna be a big
Okay guys, so let's continue. Even I'm almost dying
people that
because of Karomi.
when
But
I meet them friends, like they will be rude to me. So I'm not gonna turn them. Anyways, if you
so
guys are
guys, let's
seeing
continue running.
that, make sure to guys, I'm gonna start to, oh no, like,
Mm, oh no, 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 I wish.
I need to like,
Let's run.
if are you running?
Yay! We come to the next level. Oh, this is the toilet. Girl toilet.
Anyways, guys, it's kind of easy to survive to me now. I
Let's
always
try
done
the.
it, and my sister
Oh, I already
also.
know this thing. Let's dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dig. So, someone playing in this game, if you know me, if you saw your own avatar, I'm so sure one of my. Oh, that's kinda. Oh, just. Oh, pretend you didn't see that. Oh, pretend that too.
Anyways, guys, this is a
And,
take a latte, and I can just
okay, there we go. We have an hand. Okay, let's get that. Okay.
do this. If you notice,
Oh,
a little bit
can you not remove that? I'm not good at this thing.
higher,
First time.
a little bit.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna explode.
This is so
Oh,
hard
I
for
forgot to
me.
jump. Oh my gosh, I forgot to jump.
I'm not used to
Mm.
this game.
Wow, almost. Oh no. We make it! Congratulations to me.
You see this? Anyways, guys, speaking of,
Oh,
uh,
that's kind of.
guys, anyways, if you want to join me in my
Okay, let's
game,
go. Ooh, oop, ooh, oop, oop, oop. Let's go.
This is perfect.
Oh my gosh, this is freaking scary. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. First time playing and I'm going to be a booty. I 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Okay guys, so let's go.
One of my really a real fan of me. I'm gonna just, I'm gonna give you a shout out if you don't.
Oh no guys, I'm not gonna make this. I'm just gonna come back when I'm finished at this Abby. So guys, I make it. So let's continue. Wish me luck. No. This is the worst. I see Karomi again. Oh no. I'm gonna die. 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 Oh. Oh, let's. I already opened it, so let's not try it. Okay, now let's go. 3, 4, Oh, no, that's, no. That's mini. You're not Karun. You're a mini.
That was so close.
I'm gonna die. I hate. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna explode. Karumi, spare me. I'm just a little beacon. I'm not your food.
If you enjoyed the video, bye.
I'm not a prisoner. I'm not. Oh, I'm just gonna come back when I'm finished. So I'm here. So I finished the things like that. So let's go up. Let's go up. Wait, I can't do this. Okay, let's go up. So let's go up, 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 up. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish these things. So just see. I'm not gonna finish this. I'm sorry. Just sorry about. Wait, why do I have this? Wait, is this? I don't know what this is, but whatever. I'm just gonna get that. Okay, we need to drink that. So let's get that. I died, Mom. I'm not good at this. First time playing, but I'm alright. Oh no, what did I do? I don't have a Roblox, sorry. I don't really. I'm poor. Someone's kind of annoying. Oh. Hey guys, I cannot finish this Abby. So I cannot finish this Abby. Sorry about that. I'm not that good at this Abby, so bye bye. See you in the next video. Or we gonna make a part 2. If you want a part 2, just comment below.